Hey guys, Heather here from Happy Goat Farm. It's June 16th. Let's go on tour. It's such a beautiful evening. I just got out of work and now I want to give you a little tour before I go have dinner. So this is the corn rows and it's hard to see, but there's wood chips along the pathways and then it's mulched with straw and there's little corn and there'll be pumpkins up there. And then in the tunnel on the very left, that was a row of chard. We made a big batch of soup with that. And now it's covered, and next it will be cucumbers. Gorgeous, delicious, crisp butter lettuces. I love these. The tomatoes are doing well. They accepted their relocation situation and it's happening. Over here, this is not a, it's some work to be done there. There's poppies over here and this arugula. So it got so hot at the end of May. I don't know, recently it was just super hot in here. And then the degrees swung by like 30 from day to night. So those are bread seed poppies. I'm pretty excited about those. They're just pretty. And then this garden, this is a fig tree that I didn't think was coming back, but it is. These are the potatoes and they died. There was a hard frost and they were like 3 inches tall and they all looked dead, and here we are. They look great. So if you're wondering, do potatoes come back after a freeze? Yes, they do. This is all borage. There are sunflower seedlings down there. This is a row of arugula. So experimenting with arugula, trying to figure out the best situation. Because it likes cold conditions. So for the rest of the summer, we'll only do arugula for a little while longer and only outside, besides what's already planted and growing. And then in here, so those onion transplants, those are the craziest things. So they're crazy. I don't know. I don't understand. You're supposed to trim them. All right, that's cool. And they just keep growing and they get all crazy. These are beets. And then these are peas. Those are happening soon. This beet patch is not really popping up very well. These are golden beets, maybe a couple weeks out. And then Kyoja beets, maybe a week out. And that was the arugula that bolted over there. So it's covered, and that is going to become sort of an herb garden. I'm going to plant like dill and scallions and parsley and, herbs. So super excited about what's going on so far. The weather's tricky and we're starting to see some bugs that we're gonna have to deal with. There's actually a book that I have. It's called What's Wrong with My Vegetable Garden. It's already been useful. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe, and we'll see you soon.